Never been here either. Yeah. So, oh, good day, everybody. Welcome back to another upload of It's a Dyer Thing. I am Rob, and this is Sage. Don't forget to hit the notification and the subscription, anything, so you'll always be up to date on everything that we do. We are here in the Don Valley lower region, just off of the Loblaws. There's a trail over here, which this trail takes us to the bicycle park referred to as the Flats. From my understanding and from my views on satellite images and videos and forums and checks, the Flats are supposed to be a pretty interesting place where there's all sorts of jumps and stuff. So I think we're going to go check it out with our Nosfet Aeons. Huh?
There's little ones?
Little ones? I do not know, buddy. We will see when we get there. So stay tuned. Let's go right now.
You gotta be careful because you don't know what you're going over. It could be
all right, yeah, so we're here and our brains are like, yeah, you got this, you can do this, where our bodies are screaming in terror. Let's just kind of go for a little slow ride. There is no freaking way that we are able to do any of this. Like, this gap is huge.
Yeah, it's kickers too, man.
Right?
Like, it will just...
That's a massive, massive jump. There's no possible real way that we can do any of this stuff. Like, yeah, I'm going over, but yeah, no. This is a little bit, maybe there's some smaller ones over there.
Yeah, it would be fun on a bicycle.
Oh, even on a bicycle, I'd be like, yeah, no way, man.
I'd be a little more comfortable.
This is,
that's insane.
Way more than I was expecting. Here, this is more our style.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Right? Yeah, I'll say maybe let's try the smaller one. So let's get ourselves turned around.
Yeah.
Or here, kind of come up here. Let's scope out the place, right? Get an understanding. So here we got the arrows telling us to go this way. So
yeah. Dude, I'm just worried about running into a gap.
Oh, there's that.
There's little ones here. There's these ones. Well, I don't know where I'm going.
Even that little gap one scares the crap out of me. Oh, there's a tabletop here. Once you get a couple of tabletops, it wouldn't be so bad.
Yeah.
Right, you go, keep going, I'll follow you. Yeah, because that's going to take us probably to the tabletops coming back, that's okay, because then if you don't make it, you don't kill yourself.
Oh my God. Even then. It's nuts, man.
Right?
This is cool though. But
it's fun.
Yeah. Out of my skill level though. That's tight.
Ass. Oh, my ass.
Are you all right?
Yeah, it kind of kicked out from me.
Yeah. You recording?
Yeah. That really hurt though. That really hurt.
What, your knee?
No, my ass.
Oh.
I think I broke my tailbone.
No, I felt it when I was going around. It started to kick out. Going up high?
Oh.
You all right?
Yeah, on my shoulders.
Go back?
I'm done.
You're done?
Yep.
What'd you hit?
My ass on here.
Oh, fuck.
It kind of let go. It just lost power.
Yeah. When I went around, it did the same thing. You felt it start to go.
It just lost power and it just kind of went into a neutral.
Can you ride back or?
Oh, I have no choice.
Yeah.
Oh.
Maybe we'll come back.
Oh, huh?
Maybe the angle.
I don't know. I feel like I'm gonna barf.
Oh. Would you smack your bum on?
Oh, here, hold that.
Yeah.
Oh, my shoulders.
This is why I'm not gonna do anything stupid.
I didn't do anything. I just went around the hill. Oh, my God.
Know, but even then, I'm cautious. Water. Go get in the shade there. Oh, yeah, you're already in the shade.
Yeah, okay, we're done.
This is a pretty cool park, though.
Oh, my fucking... Oh, that's hard. That's hard ground. That hurt.
Yeah.
Oh, lordy, 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 lordy. Just want to barf.
Barf in the woods. Barf in the woods.
Yeah, I'll be fine.
Yeah, like the pass out feeling.
Yeah.
Yeah. Pain.
Oh, my bum bum. Oh, my bum 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 bum. Oh, my shoulders.
If you look at the
Both shoulders.
tight though.
Yeah, no, I just like look. There's my tire.
It kicked out.
Right up at the top.
Mine started to do it, and then I hucked it lower.
Oh, and then it just stopped. It went into a neutral.
Itself.
Huh?
And it just killed.
I guess it didn't
Tip
like
sensor.
it didn't like the bank. It's more than 60, it kind of cuts off, right?
Yeah, and especially if you're coming around fast though, it's just you're just gonna wipe out.
Oh.
Pull Aeon down.
Oh la 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 la. 51 years old. Maybe I should take up
Crochet.
Pickleball or something stupid.
Lawn bowling.
Lawn bowling. Why do I do this? I don't know.
Yeah, you'll be fine.
Okay.
Throw some dirt on it.
Oh, my shoulder is.
That's the worst.
Oh yeah, broken collarbone again.
You already broke too, so.
Ah, yeah. Oh, my tailbone.
This one's even tighter.
Oh my God, that hurts.
Well, go back to the car. At least you're not driving.
Oh no, I think I got to be done, buddy.
Huh?
I think I'm done.
Can you?
Can
you go out?
Yeah, we'll get out.
Okay. Yeah, no, I'm done. If you're done, I'm done.
Oh, the shock!
I'm not
I am
doing
dizzy.
any of
I'm
this
getting
stuff.
dizzy.
Maybe that's why they wear all the armor.
Yeah, but armor doesn't stop that.
No, but like butt pads and stuff would
would
help.
Okay, let's try and move.
Just go slow.
Huh?
Just go slow.
Oh yeah, my shoulder, my collar.
Hurt?
Oh yeah.
All right. Walk it if you have to.
Yeah, I'm just really nauseous right now.
Yeah.
Oh, and dizzy. I think.
Hello, butterfly.
I want to ruffle up and barf. Oh, yeah, okay. Right.
Sit for a second.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go around again.
Yeah, you go around again.
Yeah, just sit.
All right.
Ay, ay, ay.
Ooh, okay. Put the bike rack on the car and come down here with the 2 BMXs and just do this all day long. Yeah. Not all day long, but yeah.
A couple hours.
Yep.
It's definitely more friendly for a bicycle.
Huh?
More friendly for a bicycle, especially back there. That one part is just.
Oh, right. Oh my God, I'm in so much pain.
All right, that's good.
Yeah. Before I pass out.
Yep.
All right, you be safe.
You too.
You too.
Where to?
Yeah,
way.
left. Oh, my bum.
Your
Hurting.
tailbone?
Huh? Right. Yeah, straight.
Your bum?
Oh, my ass hurts.
Yeah.
So much. So much berm. Hurty.
You're gonna feel that tomorrow.
Huh? Oh, I'm gonna feel it later. Like even my shoulder. Like.
TKO for the weekend.
Oh, maybe. No.
Yeah. Possibly. The shoulder,
Sure.
probably.
Advil for sure when I get home.
Yeah, and a beer.
Beer and Advil.
Yeah.
See how well they track in sand.
Not bad at all.
Right, tractors, man. Oh my God, I feel like I'm gonna barf.
I hate that feeling.
Oh, right.
That is like the worst feeling for me.
Oh well, so that was short-lived.
You didn't even call
It is what it
Rachel
is.
there.
Sometimes you win some and you lose some. So till next time, you all be safe, be good, take care, have fun. Don't forget,
Keep
bloody
it
well, keep
covered.
it covered, man. All right.